Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Thursday, February 4th. Interesting day today in the markets. You can see here in the NASDAQ market we are quite weak as we came into and through part of the U.S. session, but we had a late rally as the market found some things that it felt were positive in terms of outlook. And we talk more about that in the advanced video. The main thing right now, though, for this market, it is a bullish setup. I do look for follow through to the upside. It'll be interesting to see if we can get that consistency into the weekend. We also see the dollar weaker across the board in these currencies. All these currencies rallied. You can see here in the euro, the market needs to stop and catch its breath. That is what I'm looking for on Thursday. I would not look for the same kind of move. Down in the Aussie dollar, it did trade below its bearish level. And the difference between the bullish and bearish level in that market is $650 a contract. I do look for it to give us an unchanged to slightly higher move in that market. Notes and the 10-year Treasury notes, I'm looking for a down day today in that market. And in gold. Gold, with the uncertainty we had with regard to the dollar, this market rallied. Again, I look for it to stop and catch its breath, but I think it could hold at these levels. And in crude oil, it firmed up as we got near levels that we found buyers before. Can we get follow through? That's the issue. The fundamentals and this price action do not add up. If you take a look at soybeans, well, they backed off, and it's an equal and opposite at these higher prices. I do look for further movement to the downside, but a relatively small range. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me, and I'm looking forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.